To med spa website might look very beautiful, but right now it could be silently bleeding money. In 2026, a pretty website is no longer enough. If your site is making any of these mistakes, well, you're losing bookings every single day without even knowing it. So today, I'm going to be tearing down a real med spa website and exposing the 7 biggest leaks that visitors see, and then it stops them from becoming paying clients. So if you run a med spa and an aesthetic clinic or a wellness brand, this video could literally increase your bookings and help convert more site visitors into actual paying customers. So we design and audit high converting websites for service-based businesses, and med spas are one of the biggest offenders that we see. Oftentimes you offer great treatments, premium pricing, strong results, but the problem is you have weak websites and weak systems. So let's fix that today. Leak number 1, your website doesn't answer the question, "Can I trust you?" Here's the first problem. When someone lands on your website, their brain asks one question immediately: can I trust this place with my face or my body? But most med spas websites waste the top section on vague slogans. So things like enhancing your natural beauty or luxury meets wellness. Well, so for this, we have Review Your Timeless Beauty with refined and sophisticated med spa treatments. This is not bad, right? But it could be better. This doesn't really tell me something. And what should be here instead? Well, you should have real photos of your clinic, practitioner credentials, years of experience, social proof, reviews, awards, certifications. 2026, trust is currency. And if you don't establish it in the first 5 seconds, most times your customers will always bounce. Leak number 2 is you're hiding the bookings button. So right here, we can see it's very clear that this is the booking button for this spa. Right, great. So this is what we get when we try to book on this particular med spa website. So well, it would have been better if it was around here. Yeah, let me see. Okay, so this is great too. This also leads us to the bookings platform. All right, yep, it does that. Awesome. So sometimes we find that some med spas on the websites, they hide the bookings button, and I mean, why do med spa websites make booking feel like a scavenger hunt? Your goal is the booking, so the book appointment button should not be tiny, it should not be hidden. So we can see on this website, it's right here on the top right hand corner and right here on the hero section. Because if people have to think about how to book, well, they probably won't. Leak number 3 is too much focus on treatments, not on outcomes. Well, okay, we spoke on treatments. Okay, so I think this has the same challenge too. Too much focus on treatments, not on outcomes that the clients will get. These are amazing. These are services that they get, and of course, it's cool, right? But here's a big one. Most med spa list treatments like it's a medical menu. The Botox, the fillers, the microneedling, PRP, and others. But the truth is that clients don't wake up wanting Botox, right? They want smoother skin, they want confidence, compliments. They want to look younger without looking like they're done. So the fix is simple. You could reframe your treatments around results and not procedures. So instead of saying things like lesser skin treatments, you could say something like get clear, even skin in 3 to 5 sessions without downtime. So don't forget, always sell the transformation. Leak number 4, the website is not mobile first. So this kills you and of course lots of spas, right? So sometimes over 80% of med spa website visitors are on mobile, and yet buttons are too small, text could be cramped, and pages load slowly. So you don't find these on this particular website. Buttons are big enough, and of course, text is not cramped rather. They are very legible. Mint 26, Google Meta Ads and clients all punish slow, clunky mobile sites. So the fix is simple: fast loading under 3 seconds, thumb-friendly buttons, clean spacing. As we can see, the sites they did great with this, and of course, minimal pop-ups on mobile. So your website should feel like an app, not a PD. Leak number 5: know before and after strategy. Most times, several med spas tricks before and after strategy like it's an afterthought. So we can see on this side that this is clearly on the home page, which is nice, but I feel that it could be better off somewhere centered on the main page. So we can see this is amazing. They have nice so they say this is a demo filler treatments before and after, right? So this is nice. Clients can see what the before and after of the treatment looks like. For this is lip enhancement, the chin filler. This is amazing. So this is cool. So sometimes we find empty gallery or low quality images, but med spas should know that before and after photos are good for med spas. And most times, most websites either hide them, use poor lighting, or don't even explain the results, right? So that's just one fix that I would recommend here. So for this, we would probably add what treatment was done, right? So they mentioned lip enhancements, face restoration with filler, okay, right? Full facial balancing, this is right. So mention what treatment was done, how long it took, who it's best for, and of course any downtime information that they should have, because clarity is what increases confidence, and of course confidence increases bookings. If number 6, your website talks at people, not to them. So let me just have a look at this about page. This is amazing. So for some med spas, their about pages start with we are a leading med spa dedicated to excellence, blah blah blah. The truth is, no one cares. Clients want to know: do you understand my feed? Will you overdo it? They work with people like me. So, of course, this Mesba High Point did great by introducing the founder, her experience, and of course, looking at this, I feel that I can trust her with my body, right? So this is what you want to do. You should use client-centered language, address objections, speak to first-time clients, show them that you are an authority and that you are capable of taking care of whatever their needs be. So reassure them, educate them, guide them, right? This is where your cookies are emotionally decided. So this is lovely. Showing authority and helping the clients relax and trust the High Points Med Spa. This is great and good. Leak number 7, no follow-up system or poor follow-up system. Of course, this equals lost money, lost cash. So let me see if we try to exit this website. Let me see if anything is going to happen. So I'm going to copy this and create new tab. So let's try to exit this screen and see if anything happens. Whoa. So this is something that definitely needs to be worked on, right? So it's a massive leak, right? Because not everyone will want to book on the first visit rather. See, and if your website has no lead capture, no consultation offer, no email or WhatsApp follow-up, once they leave, they are gone forever. What we would do if we worked on the High Point Med Spa website is first ensure that there is an exit intent pop-up. So if someone wants to exit the website, you could offer them something of value, right? It could be a free skin assessment, a treatment guide, a first visit incentive, if you may, and of course, follow them up automatically. Quick recap. Let's look at the 7 leaks that are costing you bookings in 2026. We talked about building, no instant trust, hidden buttons, selling treatments instead of outcomes, poor mobile experience, week before and after presentation, of course, self-centered messaging, no follow-up system. So if even one of these exists on your site, you're losing a lot of clients and of course money. So if you want us to personally review your MedSpa website, please drop a link in the comments. Or if you want a high converting MedSpa website designed specifically to increase bookings in 2026, check the link in the description. Please like this video, subscribe for more website teardowns, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye for now.